Package weight, 1.33 pounds. Country of origin, United States. Part number, 30334. The 30334 X-Series OBDII Wideband Gauge is validated to work with EFILive, HPTuners and DashDaq software. The fastest responding wideband AFR controller. Use the factory O2 calibration or free air calibrate using buttons on faceplate. It has shipping options to quickly meet every need, including same-day shipping for orders placed as late as 8 p.m. Top reviews from the United States. Buy it. Very good gauge. Coming from an Innovate gauge that gave me nothing but problems, this seems to be much better operation and quality. I received mine damaged, but Amazon shipped a replacement the very next day. Don't look at any other AFR gauge.